Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will discuss our game plan for the end of the week. But before we dive in to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook, The Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, from this week's video watch list, the standout winner before Friday is FBIO, up 66% on the week. I talked about it last month. I flagged the insider buying from the CEO, President, CEO, and Chairman. He bought $2.6 million worth of stock at $1.70. Very significant buy, and that explains why. I mean, it took a while for the trade to play out, but again, insider buying is very, very important, especially when you get an insider buy of that size by the CEO. You know, he knows the business better than anyone. So again, that is one of the things that we watch for here at Insider Financial. The other big winner this week was CERE, up 58%. I talked about this one last night. AbbVie buying it. I mean, I was going by the price action, but someone here clearly knew that a buyout was coming, and this explains why their stock was running on no news. TVTX, big runner, up 37% on the week. Going to be watching this one for more continuation. RILY, RILY, another runner, up 33% this week. A lot of short sellers are all over this name, and it's looks that bottomed here at off 1750. It looks like it wants to go higher. The other one, Tops, again, this tells you we're in a hot market. Anytime the market gets hot, Tops starts running, up 32% for the week. Again, this was the major breakout when it cleared the 50 and the 200-day moving average. 50 was 811, 200-day moving average 872, broke through there, and just been a double ever since then. So congrats if you caught that move. And if you caught any of these moves, let us know. Leave a comment below. I read all the comments. Also, let me know what you're watching for the end of the week. But some new names. Also, one last thing. GameStop closed up 10% on the day. They really gapped down here on earnings, but the game stonkers came in and bought the dip. Basically, Ryan Cohen is going to turn GameStop into his own private hedge fund. He got that they can now buy stocks with the cash and marketable securities on hand. So that is really why the stock is running today. A couple of names to add to our watch list. Some of these also have been covered here at Insider Financial. STEM, STEM, was up 7% on the day. TD Cowen named the stock as one of its best ideas for 2024, saying is well positioned to benefit from the increasing demand for energy storage solutions and noting significant traction in the muni and co-op markets. STEM's unified Athena platform continues to be a key differentiator for the company, and the new Power Bidder Pro should help further drive software-related revenues. The company's focus on software should help it reach positive full-year adjusted EBITDA in 2024, with profitability beginning Q4 2023. Analyst said, adding, STEM has continued to demonstrate strong execution in the past several quarters. We see STEM as the leader in the energy storage space relative to its more nascent peers, as STEM executes against its goal of transition toward a higher mix of software and market participation services. So, gotten big loser on the year, gotten beat up, so they're calling it a turnaround play for 2024. GSIT, this is a past runner. was flagged last year back in May. Lou Basinese, I think he went on Stuart Varney's Fox Business Channel, talked up the stock, got a run all the way to $9.80 before correcting down to $1.89. Are they getting ready to pump it again? So certainly watching this one. We'll be watching the 200-day moving average of 336. We get above there, it's blue skies ahead. So watching this one going forward. CDT, this was a big runner last month for our subscribers. I talked about this rounding bottom. We got this nice spike to above 6, corrected right down to the 50-day moving average. You know, are they getting ready round 2 to pump it again? Put this one on your watch list. PYXS, $3 in cash, trading at 208. $3, like I said, $3 in cash on the balance sheet. I like the chart. Watching this one for more continuation. SMTC, I traded this one today. Made money. Had a good earnings report. 21% of the float is short. Breaking out here. Going to be watching this one for more trade setups over the next coming days. SSNT, Brad Jacobs investing $1 billion. This is going to be his next public vehicle. The guy's got an incredible track record of successful deals. I said here when the news was announced, we got this spike. I said, don't chase it. Wait for the pullback. We got the pullback here, pulled all the way back to 741. Now we're climbing ahead. We need to get above $10, a close above $10, and I think we're then going to go and test a new high. So put this one on your radar. I said this one is not done, and this was a dip worth buying. JetBlue, JBLU, this is a turnaround play. Nice action today, positive guidance today. They said their business is strong. Breaking out here, I said this one here is a longer term swing with 11% of the float short. TSVT, this is a turnaround play. 26% of the float is short. The company said, as we indicated last month, the board has commenced the process to consider all options to maximize value. This process is well underway, and our team is committed to working as thoughtfully and quickly as possible to ensure our important therapies become available to patients in need. We drive value for our shareholders and best support our employees. So watching this one, this is a turnaround play. Look at that bottom here. I see more upside in this one. RVLV, I talked about this one on the watch list Sunday night. Finally getting the breakout I was looking for. This was here. Look at this trend line resistance right here. We closed above it, so going to be looking for more continuation. Closed at 1539, trading 1545 in the after hours. Moving on here, what do we got next? Dish, DISH, 22% of the float is short. This one looks incredibly cheap. I wouldn't bet against Charlie Ergen. The merger is approved. The US FCC approves Dish EchoStar merger deal. So he's recombining his companies. Look at the past insider buying. We had a director buying last year, $6, $6.15, $11, $10. This is a director. I think that they own a lot of Spectrum. I think the stock is incredibly cheap and undervalued down here, but this is a longer term play, so certainly going to be watching this one. But running right into trendline resistance above here, I think this one's going to go break through that over the next coming days, so watch this one for more upside. CHPT, this one here looks to have bottomed. 22% of the float is short, building a base here. What can't go lower must go higher. So I think we can see a turnaround in CHPT. Big Lots, BIG. This one just keeps creeping here. You look at this one, I've been talking about this one, 29% of the float is short. Just keeps climbing, so I think we gotta keep this one on our watch list for more upside. This is a also another longer term swing. But guys, when I talk about was talking about why we try not to buy or dips in small caps. I mean, just look at MLGO today. I mean, this one gapped higher, was a big runner yesterday, opened at $4, ran all the way to 10. Today it opened at $13.35, hit $15.60. A lot of people were thinking the breakout was coming. They kept buying the dip, went all the way down to $1.56 before closing at $2.05. Be careful with these low float plays. Again, you know, it's a momentum strategy. It's when they're running, you get in, you ride that wave, you get off. You know, you don't want to own them. You want to rent them. So, you know, again, be cautious, guys. Always be booking profits. Again, none of this is financial advice, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. And tomorrow, of course, is Jobs Day at 8:30 a.m. The November U.S. non-farm payrolls report will be released. Economists forecast non-farm payroll employment rose by 190,000 in November, following a 150,000 increase in October. The end of the UAW strike and the Screen Actors Guild strike are anticipated to have impacted the monthly tally. The unemployment rate is expected to hold steady at 3.9%. And again, guys, this is my actual watch list. I have no positions in any of these names at the moment, at the time of video posting. Tomorrow, I may or may not trade in any of these names. I will also, of course, be scanning pre-market. If I see anything new to add, I will let our subscribers know, so make sure you sign up. At InsiderFinancial.com, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money and ride that momentum. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. To get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. And some of these stocks are making big moves pre-market. If you want to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description for Webull. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.